Hi, this is the next lesson on shapes in geometry. It's called What are Attributes? So attributes are things that we know about the shapes. So an attribute of this shape is it is green, or it looks blue on your screen, but it's green on mine. And this shape is red. So those are attributes which are color. Another attribute is what shape is it? This shape is a rectangle, and this is called a rectangular prism because it's a 3D shape. Another attribute is how many vertices it has. We learned last year the corners are called a vertex. And when you have more than one, we say vertices. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices on shape A. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on shape B. So vertices are also another attribute of the shape. So attributes describe what the shapes look like. So can you describe these shapes out loud? Okay, this is a partner activity, and this would be if you had your own shapes, which what you could do is take some paper and cut out some squares and rectangles and circles and different shapes. And it says to sort your shapes into groups and have your partner give you a rule like sort your shapes by color, or sort your shapes by size, or sort them by are they a rectangle or a triangle or a circle. So just practice sorting shapes. If you don't have any, you can make some. Sort your shapes by the number of sides. Look at your group of rectangles. What is the same about the rectangles in the group? Record your observations, which means write it down. What is the same about all of your rectangles? What is different about the rectangles in the group? Record your observations. So find all the rectangles that you made. Look at your hexagons. It's very hard to make hexagons, so I don't know if you could do that, but it's the 6-sided shape. What is the same about your hexagons in your group, and what is different about your hexagons? So you might have some big hexagons and some small hexagons in your group. Look at the trapezoid. If I change the number of sides, is it still a trapezoid? Is this a trapezoid? Why or why not? Look at the trapezoid. If I change the color, is it still a trapezoid? So let's go back. Is this a trapezoid? No. If you change the sides, it's a triangle. Is this still a trapezoid? Yes, it's just a different color. If I make it bigger, if I change the size, is it still a trapezoid? Yes, it's still a trapezoid. If I change the trapezoid from flat to solid, is it still a trapezoid? Actually, it doesn't look like a trapezoid now. It looks like a rectangular prism. So they actually changed the type of shape that it was. If I change the orientation, is it still a trapezoid? That means if you change the way that it's facing, if it's upside down or sideways. Is it still a trapezoid? Yes. If I make the shape open, is it still a trapezoid? If there's a big empty space, is it still a trapezoid? No, now it's not a trapezoid anymore. When describing shapes using attributes, which one defines the shape? List the attributes that are important. Look at all the shapes. Identify all the triangles. So, is A a triangle? Yes. How about B? No, because it's opened. C? Yes. D? No, it has a curve. E, is that a triangle? No. Is F a triangle? Yes. Is G a triangle? No. H? Yes. I? No, it's got a space. Is J a triangle? Yes. Is K a triangle? No. Is L a triangle? Yes. Is M a triangle? Yes. Is N a triangle? No way. Is O a triangle? Yes. Is P a triangle? No, it's a trapezoid. So the ones with 3 sides are triangles. If they don't have 3 sides, they're not triangles. Or if they have an open space, they're not a triangle. Okay, why is this one not a triangle? Because it has 4 sides instead of 3. Okay, that was the end of that one. So if you don't have your own shapes, you could just make some with paper if you have some scissors.